Hello everyone, and welcome to JH Official Voice Educators. In today's video, we are discussing an important topic, how to access and monetize TRC20 USDT if you have recovery phrases. If someone transferred TRC20 USDT to your wallet and you only have recovery phrases, this step-by-step guide will help you access the funds and convert them to usable currency. Watch till the end for the complete process. Section 1. Understanding recovery phrases and TRC20 USDT. First, let's understand what recovery phrases and TRC20 USDT are. 1. Recovery phrases. Recovery phrases are a set of 12 to 24 words used to access and restore a cryptocurrency wallet. Think of them as the key to your digital vault. These phrases are wallet-specific and allow you to recover funds across different wallets compatible with the same blockchain. 2. TRC20 USDT. TRC20 is a token standard on the Tron blockchain, and USDT, Tether, is a stablecoin tied to the US dollar. TRC20 USDT transactions are fast and cost-effective, making them popular for transferring funds. Section 2. Restoring access to your wallet. To monetize the TRC20 USDT, the first step is to restore access to the wallet using your recovery phrases. 1. Download a Tron-compatible wallet. Examples include Trust Wallet, TronLink Wallet, Token Pocket. 2. Restore your wallet. Open the wallet app and select the option to Restore Wallet. Enter the recovery phrases in the exact order they were given. 3. Verify your balance. Once the wallet is restored, check your balance to confirm that the TRC20 USDT has been credited. Make sure the wallet supports TRC20 tokens to see the USDT funds. Section 3. Monetizing your TRC20 USDT. Now that you have access to the funds, here's how you can monetize them. 1. Transfer to an exchange. Send the USDT to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports TRC20, such as Binance, OKX, KuCoin. Make sure to copy the correct deposit address for TRC20 USDT from the exchange and use it while transferring. 2. Sell the USDT. On the exchange, convert your USDT into your preferred fiat currency, example USD, EUR, INR. Choose a selling method. Spot trading, directly sell USDT on the exchange. P2P trading, use the exchange's peer-to-peer platform to sell USDT to other users and receive payment in your local currency. 3. Withdraw to your bank account. After selling, withdraw the fiat currency to your linked bank account or payment method. Most exchanges offer multiple withdrawal options, such as via transfer, PayPal, or UPI, in India. Section 4. Important security tips. Handling recovery phrases and transactions requires caution. 1. Never share recovery phrases. Your recovery phrases are the key to your funds. Never share them with anyone or enter them on suspicious websites. 2. Verify transaction details. Always double-check the wallet address and blockchain type before making any transfers. 3. Enable wallet security. Set up additional security measures like PIN codes, biometric locks, or two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your wallet. 4. Beware of scams. Avoid unsolicited offers or emails claiming to help you recover or monetize funds. Use only trusted platforms and wallets. Conclusion. Monetizing TRC20 USDT using recovery phrases is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Restore your wallet, transfer funds to a reliable exchange, sell the USDT, and withdraw the money to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Educators for more educational content on cryptocurrency and finance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay secure in the world of crypto.